What's happening YouTube? Charles and Chargers back with another video. Today, got 3 boxes. 3 blaster boxes of the Select WNBA. Got these from Target. I think they're about $30 each, I think, off their website. I saw some in my local Meijer yesterday. I'm filming this on Wednesday night. Saw them yesterday, and they're $40 each. I passed. I mean, I would love to get them, but nah, I'm not gonna pay 40 bucks. But anyway, debut edition. Looking for blaster exclusive pink ice prisms, retail exclusive parallels, including the ultra rare Tiger Prism and 1-on-1 black finite. And we will cut that and show that side. So we're gonna rip into all 3 of these. 6 packs a box, 4 cards per. And there is that side. If you want to pause, take a look at it. Let's get into it. Obviously looking for Caitlin Clark, Angel Reese, Cameron Brink. The main 3. I myself wouldn't mind getting some of the vets. Asia Wilson, Sabrina Ionescu, Elena Deladon, Sue Bird. So let's see. I would love to have gotten a hobby box, but there is no way in the world I am paying that price. All right, starting off with Natasha Howard, Lauren Jackson, cool, Angel Reese rookie. That's going to be the premier level. That's cool. And Christy Tolliver on the silver. Very cool. Good start. Zaya Cook. There we go, another Angel. And that one is the Concourse. All right, cool. Sabrina Ionescu. And Maureen Johannes is going to be the pink ice. Not numbered. Hope I'm saying her last name right. I watched some of the finals. I thought the WNBA All-Star game was awesome this year. I watched the championship game. It's good stuff overall. Khalid Copper, it was quite entertaining. Courtney Vandersloot, Kelsey Plum, and Lexi Brown. Kelsey Plum is the premier, and this is the Enfuego. I like the Enfuegos. They look good. Oh, that's numbered too. 48 out of 99. You can see it's bowed like crazy. But 48 out of 99 on the Enfuego. That's cool. Little security tag. I hate opening packs like that. It drives me nuts, but I'm trying not to show the back cards. I've seen a lot of Caitlin's on the back. I don't want to be surprised. Crystal Dangerfield. Don't believe she's related, Rodney. Kidding. Dee Richards. Shakira Austin. And a flash of Lainey Hamilton. The flashes look good too. Flash prisms always look good. Lee Uru, probably just butchered her name. Taisha Harris, Courtney Williams, and a silver Kelsey Mitchell. All right, last pack of blaster number 1. Brianna Jones, Diana Taurasi, Jaylen Brown, and Nafisa Collier on the pink ice. All right, take that. Oops. Okay, not a bad first blaster. Clean this up here. We'll rip into box number 2. Let's do it to it. That was definitely the Angel Reese box. Let's see if we get a Caitlin box here. Or Cameron Brink box. Ariel Powers. Nika Mule, rookie. Cynthia Cooper-Dyke on the Premier. And Rakia Jackson, future on the Flash. That's cool. Take that. All right, Alicia Gray, Stephanie Dolson, Lexi Brown, and Alyssa Peely, rookie. And that's a purple ice, numbered to 149. 40 out of 149. 8th overall pick. Nice looking card. Diamond Miller, Jordan Horston, Ari McDonald, and a silver Alyssa Thomas. Satu Sabali, Nancy Lieberman, Courtney Williams, and a Flash Jackie Young. Skylar Diggins Smith, Dorka, yeah, I'm not going to try that one. I'm not familiar with her. Kia Stokes, and Nick Mule on the future. Take that. All right, last pack of Blaster 2. I'm dwindling down here. Still need Caitlin and Cameron Brink. Mariah Jefferson, Gracie Burr, Nafisa Collier, and this is a red Lexi Hull. Not numbered. All right. Get this cleaned up. and final blaster. Let's do it. So far, I'd still say overall the first one might be the best. Dawn Staley, Derek Hamby, Shakira Austin, and an Unstoppable, Alyssa Thomas. It's the first we've seen the Unstoppable. Diamond to Shields, Rakia Jackson, rookie. Celeste Taylor, rookie. And Katie Lou Samuelson on the pink. Getting the entire Fever team except for Caitlin. Dana Evans. There we go, Sue Bird. Sophie Cunningham. And Kelsey Mitchell on the silver. Again, the entire team except for Kayla. Kelsey Mitchell. Arika Ogunbowale. Brittany Sykes. And the Flash, Nancy Lieberman. All right, that's it. Last 2 packs. Maddie Segrist, Erica Wheeler, Maddie Segrist, and future Camila Cardoso. All right, that's it. Izzy McBager, Carly Samuelson, nope, Julie Van Loo, rookie, and Tiffany Mitchell to close it out on the red. All right, overall fun rip. No Caitlin or Cameron. Well, let's go through what we got here. Got the red, future insert, there's Flash, Pink Ice, Unstoppable. We saw one of those in 3 blasters. Lexi Hull, Nika Mule, future. Did get a numbered Alyssa Peely out of 149. Rakia Jackson, future, Flash. Collier, Kelsey Mitchell, silver. Hamilton Flash, nice Lexi Brown and Fuego. I forgot that one was numbered also to 99. Then just a couple I'll end up keeping. Got the Sue Bird, Sabrina Ionescu, world champion. And then we got 2 Angel Reese's. Got the Concourse and the Premier level. So, fun stuff. I might decide to get more. I'm not sure. I may just grab a couple Caitlin cards off eBay. Or if Meyer has some kind of sale, maybe I'd snag them from there, but I'm not going to pay 40 a blaster, so that's just crazy. But that is it for this one, guys. I'm not sure when I'll have another video coming. Picking up a few things here and there mail-wise. I got some stuff sitting next to me, but it's not enough to constitute a video yet, so we'll get there. But that's it for this one, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this. It's Select. It's always fun, regardless. You know, WNBA, WWE. Select is always fun. But that's it for this one, guys. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and talk to you later.